Hello again. Um, we recently came across a Yahoo article written by Zax, which read retain these three Canadian energy stocks for long-term gains. They are Suncor-Energy, Imperial Oil, and Synovus Energy. So with that, we quickly dived in, and we quickly saw that Suncor Energy spots put call ratio of 1.4 and short interest of 0.7%. Yeah, short interest is very small. It's not interesting at all, indicating that traders are by far more bullish, significantly, in fact, absolutely bullish, going by that ratio. And then, but the put call ratio indicates that there, on the other hand, that there are more puts than calls. As a matter of fact, people are actually doing what they're not doing, or traders are doing not what they're not doing on the stock, on the options. That's what they're doing there, or probably it may be the case that the option traders have seen that the stock traders are doing something else. They better do something else. And here we have the chart of the stock price trend versus the simple moving average and the price channel. The red curve is the simple moving average. This red curve is the simple moving average, and then this curve here is the one the dot is tracking. That is the stock price curve. And then these outer ones, the two outer ones, these ones here, this and that's the channel. So for some time, in recent times, in towards the end of around the middle of November, it was trading within the channels, and then yeah, and then in September as well, pretty much in there, in within the channels. But of late now, it has dropped off the channel. But the thing there is that it is definitely trading below the simple moving average, indicating that yes, it could be higher. You know, um, yeah, maybe this is what the analysts have, the commentators that Zach have seen, and they want people to look at them, look at Suncor. So the other one is Imperial Oil. The put call ratio over 30 days is 2.7, indicating that close to three times the number of puts have been exchanging hands, have been traded. And the other one is the short interest. It stands at 1%. The same sort of indications we saw with Suncor, but this time around, a higher put call ratio and a higher short interest too. The short interest in the two of them are pretty much negligible. And here again we have the charts for Imperial Oil. We see again the red curve is the simple moving average, and then this is down at the bottom here, 25, where it says 25 25.96. Maybe you won't be able to see it properly. That's the chart of the stock. It is trading below the simple moving average, indicating that it has more room to go as well, indicating that it has lost some value. That's the price channel. These ones, this that's the price channel, the upper part of the channel, upper curve of the channel, and then this other one is the inner one. So with around November, around September area, it started to trade in within. It's just left there briefly. Trade within the channel, the price channel, and dropped off sometime in November. But one clear indication is that this is the simple moving average, and it is way below it. And then Suncor-Energy has a put call ratio of 2.4, indicating yet again it is the option traders prefer the puts, and the short interest is 0.1. Nothing at all there. And then this is the curve of the Synovus. This is a curve of Synovus compared to its simple moving average and its price channel. Yes, here again we see that it is trading below its simple moving average, and in August it was trading within the channel right up to early September, and then came back again to within that month, and then dropped off in when did it drop off? It dropped off early October, and then returned back again in the same towards the end of the month, and then yet again towards the end of last month of September, and it's yeah, yes, and it's as it is now, it is trading within its price channel. This is the upper part, and this is the lower part, and this is the simple moving average. So as at yesterday when it closed, it was trying to, but it was just 67 cents away from its simple moving average as at when it closed. But there's a common trend here with what the traders, the commentators have noticed about Suncor, about these three energy stocks. In the end, yes, they are slightly undervalued. In the long term, they might be. Yes, they might be. Thanks for listening.